twins Anele and Neliswa Mxakaza, Cheryl Zondi and 740 others. HIV positive by Pastor Tim Omotoso and 3 died last year. Former Idol South Africa contestants Anele and Neliswa Mxakaza who have detailed their experiences with Pastor Timothy Omotoso after having previously lived in one of his homes for a year reveals deep secrets. Tim Omotoso is HIV positive. Apparently, he knew about his status but slept with over 700 girls without protection. Things turned sideways when most of the girls started getting sick. His wife knew what was going on from the start but she did not care. Omotoso also has other venereal diseases. Tim Omotoso is the senior pastor of a Jesus Dominion International, based in Durban, South Africa. He is currently on trial at the Port Elizabeth High Court for rape and human trafficking. Tim Omotoso groomed his victims and began abusing them from the tender age of 14. Things turned bad when I saw his wife drinking what looks like the ARV pills I have. I realized she knows her husband was HIV positive and she knew what he was doing with the girls.